tonight? Are you close to here?
Hi, how are you doing? So today I want to go ahead and get started on breakfast. I'm going to make banana nut muffins from the Martha White, I think that's the brand. And tonight I really want to have taco salad, so there's going to be some cooking in this video and some everyday homemaking. I've got some things to clean and all that good stuff, so let's get going. Alright, I cannot put away dishes and cook a sausage with the grease popping out of the pan without wearing my apron. This one is my favorite because it's like a water resistant one, and I got it off of Amazon, so I'll link it in the description box down below for y'all. But I love it. It's got mushrooms on it. They have some with different prints, but y'all know I love mushrooms.
But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch.
So for 1 pack of the Martha White muffin mix, it is half a cup of milk and then your pack of the muffins, and they go in the oven on 400 degrees, which I thought was super hot. I did not know it was that high. It says 11 to 14 minutes. I would definitely check because you'll see I left it in there a little bit too long. But I also have an apple cinnamon muffin mix left, so maybe I'll make that one for tomorrow's video and see how those taste, because I do like these, but you can definitely tell that it's like an artificial banana flavor. Homemade banana bread is way better. But this is awesome for just waking up in the morning and getting breakfast ready. We love these Swaggerty's sausage, and we specifically get it frozen. We've purchased it from Walmart before where it's already thawed out and it just doesn't taste the same. So I would suggest getting it frozen. While those are being cooked, and we get the hot one, by the way, they're not that hot, but they are a little spicy. I am going ahead putting away all of my spring and summer essential oils, and then I'm pulling out, as you can see here, all of my fall and winter ones. I have like winter spice, peace and quiet, candy cane, harvest spice. I have a lot of snickerdoodle. I love my fall and winter scents probably a lot more than my summer ones, but I'm just going to take all of those out, and then I just put them in this little wicker looking basket, and then I just put it on top of my microwave. That way I have easy access. And y'all notice I put a little mason jar beside my diffuser. It's just a lot more convenient to fill it that way, and I just love this. So I'm using the Harvest Spice today, and I will have that essential oil set linked in the description box, because I believe you get like 5 or 6 essential oils in that set. You get 6, and they have like all different fall scented oils in that set. I'm so glad they all fit in this little basket, and then I put the spring and summer ones up there on top of the fridge. So here's the Harvest Spice that I was talking about. It's like a pumpkin scented, but with a little like cinnamon added to it, so that's where the spice comes from, and that is my favorite combination: apple, cinnamon, and pumpkin scents. Also cranberry spice. Those are probably my favorite scents ever. So let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite scents? And it doesn't have to be specifically for fall, but it would help us out in the comments if you tell us what your fall or winter scents are, because those are the seasons we are going into. And now the muffins are done. So I'm pulling those out, and I put them on this little platter that I got from the Pioneer Woman that you can see here. I put the sausage there and the scrambled eggs, so it just was like a nicer presentation, and it just made it fun. When Aaron woke up, I think he was like pleasantly surprised that I made breakfast, because normally he makes breakfast, but I'd have some hot sauce with mine. And now we're getting into the laundry, because I always have laundry. You wouldn't think it with just 2 people, but we always have laundry. Sometimes Aaron changes his clothes like twice a day if he's outside doing stuff. If I'm outside doing stuff and I get sweaty, I have to come in immediately, take a shower, and then put new clothes on, because I cannot have clothing touch my skin if it's wet.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes.
So I have some news. As you can see, I'm putting away some clothes, and I am switching out my spring and summer blanket for this white blanket. And that brings me to what I wanted to say, which is, so I always do spring cleaning, but I love to do like a fall deep cleaning. So we're doing a fall deep cleaning series, and I'll probably be starting that this week. Tomorrow's video is going to be very similar to this, kind of just like a day in the life, cleaning, homemaking. And then Wednesday I will start with the deep cleaning for fall, because I feel like just doing deep cleaning once a year is not enough, and I love just fall seems like a fresh start to me, and it is kind of that middle of the year. So yeah, hopefully you're excited for that too, and let me know in the comments, do you do spring cleaning and fall deep cleaning? 'Cause I normally start my spring cleaning honestly in February, which is not even spring, and then I start my fall deep cleaning in September.
Good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I got all the signs, but I couldn't run then. I don't blame myself, turn the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back around. You should never have to make excuses for his behavior towards you, the one he loses. I know they seem to understand now, but they will never change, no matter how hard you try. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. Hey, hey. What goes around comes back around. Hey, hey. Looks so pretty on the outside, got the eyes of an innocent one. You can never tell at the first glance. They'll never save the lessons for you. Hey, don't call me up, I know you know what you did, so I'm turning the radio up. Don't wanna hear it's too late for apologize. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. Hey, hey. What goes around comes back around.
So you're seeing me use the Tineco Floor 1S5. I love this. This video is not sponsored by them, but I do really like this vacuum cleaner, and I use it anytime I need to mop because it does the mopping and the vacuuming at the same time, and it dries super quickly, so you don't have to worry about footprints and all those kids running around and stuff like that and getting footprints on the floor right after you mop. I remember if my mom mopped the floor and we walked through the kitchen, we would be in trouble. So this kind of takes all that worry away, and it's also self-cleaning. So I am rinsing out this dirty water tank because it was full of like grass and dirt and all that stuff from where we did yard work the day before. But I'm actually going to show you a clip of like how it talks to you, and it tells you starting cleaning cycle, auto detection mode, done, blah blah. So there's like different series of the Tineco Wet and Dry Vacuum / Mop. I will link a few of them down below. This one is the S5. It's definitely a luxury price. So just wanted to put that as a disclaimer.
Start self-cleaning. Cleaning brush holder. Auto detecting.
So if I stay, would you be lying to me? Got away. The memories are our mistakes, we can never make it true. Our deception slips right through. What did I do? I must have been so careless. Progress too soon, but you got me so breathless. Can we work it out this time? Though you got money on your mind. So go and see the lights and rise once more. I could be fooled by you tonight, but not this time.
Guess what just came in the mail? So, if y'all watch my videos, you know that there's apparel down below the video. And that's my apparel. So, I picked out this one. It was my favorite. I wish I could have bought all of them. But, I can create as many as I want. I just can't buy everything. Anyways, I'm about to put this on. But, this is the Pumpkin Princess. And I'm going to put it on. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, here it is. So I got mine in an extra large. Which fits. It fits to my body. It's my size. I'm trying to learn how to wear my size instead of buying things that are bigger than my size. So here it is. So cute. I thought it'd be great for, of course, fall. I'm going to the zoo on October 1st, and if it's not hot that day, because sometimes it can still be hot here in October, but if it's cooler that day, I wanted to be able to wear this because it's got a pumpkin on it and it's festive. So yeah, all of them are linked. Actually, you can shop the merch down there beneath this video and you'll see all the pictures and stuff. Shirts, I believe, go up to a 5X. Long sleeves, I think, go up to a 5X too. A lot of these sweatshirts I've noticed are only going up to a 3X, and I don't know why that is. But yeah, I got the 2X, or extra large. I am 5'3" and 277 exactly. So for reference, and I wear size 20 down here, and I'm like an apple shape, I believe. So yeah, it's super soft and cozy. It's 80% cotton and 20% polyester. Alright y'all, we have pretty much relaxed for hours since I last saw you when I put the vacuum on the charger, and now it's time for me to eat and close out this video. So we're having taco salad tonight. I didn't film it because y'all have seen me make taco salad a billion times, but I love taco salad. It's one of my favorite meals. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another one. So if this one was short, I don't know how much I filmed. Don't worry, because you're gonna be getting a lot of me this week. Okay, you want to say bye? Bye. Bye.
Won't make me fall this time, 'cause I have drawn a map of my escape.